Okay, good afternoon. How are you? Today is Friday, June 5th, 2020, and the topic is vocabulary and theme. Okay, the expected learning outcome, determine the meaning of words. Let's begin. Well, we will start with a video about vocabulary words from the unit number 16. We're starting a new unit, okay? So let's listen and point to the words, listen again and say the words. Please, you can use your highlighted to highlight the vocabulary words. Are you ready? Let's listen.
A. And point to the words. Listen again and say the words.
Stubborn, angry, goat, mountain, west, east, forward, horns, wet.
Now listen and repeat.
Stubborn,
Stubborn,
angry,
angry,
goat,
goat,
mountain,
mountain,
west,
west,
east,
east,
forward,
forward,
horns,
horns,
wet.
wet. Good. Now what you will have to do is observe the pictures and remember, look at the picture, look at the word, look at the picture, look at the word, so you can identify both the pictures and the words in future exercises, okay? So let's continue. Word classification. From the vocabulary, we will see a word classification, which is adjectives and nouns from the vocabulary. What are the adjectives that we found in the vocabulary is stubborn. When you are like this, I don't want to do it. They tell you, do this, no, do this, no. Okay, you are stubborn, okay? Another adjective is angry. These are feelings. You feel stubborn or you are stubborn and you feel angry. Now, what nouns can you find? Goat and horns and mountain. We have three nouns in the vocabulary. Goat, horns, mountain. And two adjectives, stubborn and angry. Now let's look. We have some words that go with a verb. Remember the verb phrases from a past class? Well, these can be also known as verb phrases. These verbs go with move. Move forward, move fast, and go backward, go forward, travel east, travel west. Let me move myself, okay. Get wet and get hot. These words go with the verbs, okay? Move forward, move fast, go backward, go forward, travel east, travel west, get wet, get hot. When you see these verbs, remember these words go with them, okay? So let's continue. Right here we have your book. Your book is already open, correct? You open your book on page 156. You listen and repeat the vocabulary words. And now you will do an activity about the vocabulary, okay? It says, remember to write the date on the top. Circle the one that doesn't belong. The one that is like different, doesn't belong to the group, okay? For example, feel. How do you feel? You feel angry and you feel stubborn, but bird is not an adjective, it's not an emotion, so you will circle bird, okay? Second, go up. When you go up a hill and you go up a mountain, but you don't go up a book, so book doesn't belong, and you will circle it, okay? Number 3, see. What do you see? You see a goat, you see a bird, or you see a stubborn. You will choose and circle the one that doesn't go. Have west, have a goat, or have horns. Remember that have is like possession, something that you have. Go. Go backward, go west, or go forward. Go in a direction, okay? Get. Get wet, get hot, or get mountain, okay? Circle the one that is not part of the group. Travel. Travel ground, travel east, travel west, okay? Move. Move forward, move west, or move fast. Move forward, move west, or move fast. Circle the one that doesn't go with the group, okay? Do it individually and check your answer with the ebook. Now you will open your book on pages 136 and 137 and answer them. Let me tell you what will you do. On page 136, exercise A, you will look at the pictures and complete the puzzle. This is a puzzle, a crossword puzzle, okay? For example, number 1, this arrow means forward, okay? F-O-R-W-A-R-D, write the words. All the words will be written horizontally, okay? The number 2, this, what is it? You are right, this is a goat. G-O-A-T, goat, okay? Write the word. What's the number 3? A mountain, correct? Yes, right. Mountain, mountain. And then you do the same with the number 4. What is this animal like? Okay, write it right here. Number 5 goes here. Number 6 goes here. Okay? Number 7 is this is a picture, and right here you will write what is the number 7. Number 8, right here. Number 9, in the number 9. Now, in the exercise B, it says, look at the gray boxes in A and write the letters to make a question. Then answer the question. Look, this is a gray letter. It has a no. Right here is another gray letter. Right here is another gray letter. You will write down the words, okay, that is formed here and answer it. Okay? It's a very easy word. Continue. Exercise C says, this is on page 137. It says, circle the correct answers. You will read a sentence and circle one of the answers, the one that is correct. For example, a lot of animals live on a mountain. I travel from the to the west. We're talking about direction, so east or ground. When I walk from one place to another place, I move east or I move forward. It has horns and a cute face. It is a hummingbird or it's a goat. Remember horns on the head, okay? In the letter D, says circle the odd one out. Mountain, land, or forward. Well, forward is circled because this is it is different from mountain and land. Okay, it's not related. You will do the same with the number 2. Shelf, wolf, or goat. 3. Stubborn, angry, and wet. 4. Horns, mountain, and gills. 5. Goat, lion, and fish. 6. Goat, east, and forward. Circle the one that is different to the other 2, okay? And use your ebook to check the answers. Continue with the letter E. It says, complete the sentences. Use the vocabulary from the lesson, okay? A lot of animals live on that mountain. You have the letter M, complete the word, mountain. Number 2, we will do together the number 2 and the number 3. He never does the things he doesn't want to do. He is very stubborn. 3, when my sister breaks my toy, I feel angry. 4, you will do it on your own. After the rain, all the plants were good. W. What word is written with W? Completed. Careful, that isn't a dog. It is a. Goats and other animals have H on their head. There is a lot of traffic, but we are moving. Complete the word. When you travel from the United States to Europe, you go E. Okay? So you have the beginning of the word please check the vocabulary and complete the words. And when you finish all your pages, page 136 and 137, check your answers with the ebook, please. Now, let's see page 157. It is about the theme. Remember, the theme of a story is the most important thing the writer wants you to understand. For example, the writer is often teaching something important. The theme, remember about the turtle and the lizard, that the lizard was very rude. He wasn't polite. Okay, so when we talk about polite, when we talk about rude in a previous lesson, this is the theme. Okay, so let's check out. In this activity, it says, read the story and circle the theme. Let's read the story. It's a cold day, it's a cold and rainy day, and Josh can't play outside. His mom sees his sad face and says, let's make some fun things. They make a toy car, and Josh pushes and pulls the car on the table. This is fun, he says. Then they make a toy boat. Josh pushes his boat across the water in the kitchen sink. This is fun too, he says. Thanks for a great day, Mom. Remember, it's a rainy day and he cannot go out. What do you think is the theme? Yes. Remember, the theme of a story is the most important thing the writer wants you to understand. The writer is often teaching something important. And the answer is the letter C. Why? Because it is good to think of things to do inside when it's raining, because he was playing inside the house and he had fun. Okay, it says, I gave you an explanation. The best answer is the letter C, because it is a rainy day and the boy can't play outside, so he plays inside with his mom. Okay, answer it please in your house. Now you will continue with pages in the workbook, page 138 and 139. This is a lecture. You have to read the story quickly and answer the question. Remember, we have done this several times with several lessons, so you can do it on your own, okay? Read the information about these friends, and then you will be able to answer the question on the top. What do the boys find in the park? They found something. So please read the information here, okay? Answer the page 139 and with the exercise A. What part of the story do you like? Put a check in the part that you like. And exercise B. Circle the correct theme of the story. What is the correct theme? According to the information, you will choose the correct theme. A. Friends should play together often. B. People shouldn't be stubborn. Or C. It isn't good to be rude. So please, first, read the story. Second, answer the question A. Third, answer the comprehension activities on page 139. Okay? Next. For example, in this one, I gave you the answer. People shouldn't be stubborn. Okay? In the letter C, it says circle true or false. Or for false statements, circle the correct the underlined words. Right here, you have to underline, you have to circle if the statement is true or is false. For example, Diego and Julio live in the country. It is false. They don't live in the country. They live in a town. Please read the number 2. Diego and Julio played in a playground. False. They didn't play in the playground. They played on the park. So when the sentence is false, make the correction, please. This information will be done by you individually, okay? Check your answers with the ebook. Finally, we have the letter D. It says, answer these questions about you. You will answer the questions on your own, but I will give you ideas. If you write my answer, no problem, but you can write your own answer, okay? What do you do when you are unhappy or angry with a friend? Well, in my case, I say, I'm sorry, let's forget all about it. And what happens when you play with your friends? Says, when do you take turns with your friends? In my case, I say, when we play, we take turns, okay? So this is the information I gave you. Please check it out. Watch the videos many times as you can. Look at your ebooks and answer these pages. I hope you had a great day, and please watch this video as many times as you can. Goodbye.